In this video, we're going to do fractions on the Casio fx-300es plus the natural VPAM. Okay, let's add half plus 3 over 4. This is a fraction button. So 1, bring it down. 2, okay, that's a fraction. Bring it over with these arrow keys. Plus, we can type in 3 and then the fraction button, and then 4 and equals 5 over 4. If that was a little too fast, just pause the video, rewind it, and then you'll be able to get it. It's all about muscle memory. It's like riding a bike. It takes time. Let's change this improper fraction with a mixed number. You can do that by seeing the SD button. On the top it says A, B over C to DC or the other way around. Contrast on this is really nice in the black one. Press Shift SD button, gives you the mixed number. Press Shift SD, gives you the improper fraction again. Let's say I wanted to reduce 50 over 150 using the fraction button. Press equals, it reduces it for you automatically. Let's say I wanted to, I want 1/3 to be my decimal. A decimal value. So 1/3, if you press SD, it gives you 0.3 with the bar on top, meaning it has a bunch of 3s. You want to see that? Press SD again, and it gives you that. Press SD again, it gives you 1/3. That's pretty neat. Let's say I wanted to add 5 1/4 plus 3 over 8. Like I want to enter a mixed number. All right. So right here on the top of the fraction button is a mixed number. So Shift, the fraction button, 5, push it over, 4, bring it down, 5, 1, right? I hope I said 1, bring it down, 4, I might have said it, and then move it over, plus, right? You can type 3 if you like, then the fraction button, and then 8 equals 45 over 8. Now, you can square that, which will automatically say it's an answer, and it gives you a improper fraction. You can press SD to get you the decimal equivalent. You can press SD again, and it brings you back to an improper fraction, right? You can press Shift SD button, and it gives you the mixed version. And I guess if you press SD, it will give you the decimal equivalent. Now, that was fast. Take your time. Go over this video. Write it out. It's all muscle memory. It's like riding a bike. It takes time. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe. There's more other videos here. Also, tell your teacher so they can share it with others. And tell your friends. All right, I hope you have a great semester. I'll see you later. Bye-bye.